Your Fioptics Plus set-top box includes TiVo Enhanced Viewer Recommendations, Google Play app and game downloads, advanced voice search capabilities, and much more. Before installing the box, be sure your Fioptics Internet Gateway has been set up. Complete setup instructions can be found in our other tutorial videos. Setting up Fioptics Plus takes only a few simple steps. First, connect the Fioptics Plus box to your TV. It's important to use the included HDMI cable. Next, connect the power adapter into the box and plug it into an available wall outlet. The blue power light will illuminate on the front of the box. Turn on your TV and make sure it's set to the correct HDMI input. It will take just a few seconds as the Fioptics Plus box initializes. The included remote must be paired to the box initially. Put the batteries into the remote, and the indicator light will blink amber. Point the remote directly at the box, then press the TiVo and back buttons simultaneously until the light blinks red. The remote is now paired to the box. Start the setup by choosing your preferred language. The Fioptics Plus box needs an internet connection to operate. If you use an Android device, setup is simplified. If not, skip this step to connect manually. If you plan to connect the box directly to your Fioptics gateway using the included Ethernet cable, do that now. Then scroll down and select Use Ethernet. Otherwise, select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password using the remote. The box will now initialize and make any necessary updates. This may take a few minutes. For the best Fioptics Plus viewing experience, it is recommended to sign into an existing Google account. You can sign in here or skip it and sign in later through the Settings menu. Review and select your preferences for the Google User Acceptance options. If you will be using multiple Fioptics Plus boxes throughout your home, be sure to uniquely name each box for easy identification. Scroll through some of the included features of Fioptics Plus. OnePass is a great way to keep track of your favorite Fioptics Plus shows. Detailed OnePass setup instructions are covered in another Fioptics Plus tutorial video, so we'll skip this step for now. Here you can preload many popular video streaming apps. When looking for a show, Fioptics Plus will search not just live TV listings, but also supported video streaming apps that you have downloaded. So the more apps, the more complete your search results. Download additional apps and games anytime through the Google Play Store. When completed, you will be taken to the Fioptics Plus main menu. For the best experience, check for any additional system updates. Scroll left to select Menu. Under Settings, go to Device Settings. Then select Device Preferences. Here, in the About menu, you'll find System Update. Select it to verify the set-top box is up to date. If an update is available, install it and the set-top box will restart when completed. You're on! Get the most from your Fioptics Plus TV experience. Check out our other tutorial videos. If you need additional assistance, go online, give us a call, or visit your local altafiber store.